this, shall we? Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to the channel. Xiaomi has been making tablets for quite some time, and the main objective of these tablets is to provide an awesome experience for productivity, entertainment on a budget. And that is the main use case of this form factor, productivity and entertainment. So for that use case, spending a lot of money and buying an iPad Air or an iPad Pro does not make sense at all. That's where the Xiaomi Pad comes in. I've had the opportunity to test and review the Xiaomi Pad 5, Xiaomi Pad 6 and now the Xiaomi Pad 7 as well. With each year, Xiaomi keeps on adding useful features to this lineup. And at this point, a big question arises. Is the Xiaomi Pad 7 the best budget Android tablet out there? Well, let's try and find an answer to that question in this video. Sit back, relax and have a cup of chai. See, right off the bat, the Xiaomi Pad 7 is trying to look and be like a certain other tablet in the market. It is pretty clear that this tablet is trying to be an iPad replacement. I mean, just look at it from the side. Your first guess would not be that this is a tablet from Xiaomi. You would probably say that this is an iPad. So I think the inspiration is definitely there. And I have no problem in that whatsoever. If you're going to copy someone's homework, do it the right way. And this year, they've launched an accessory similar to the Magic Keyboard. They're calling it the Focus Keyboard. And this accessory is one of the main reasons why I like this tablet so much. So the Focus Keyboard obviously comes with a keyboard which is very convenient to type on and also use shortcuts, but it also comes with a trackpad. Now this trackpad is super useful. It can be used to navigate through the UI, select something, scroll, use gestures and things like that. I really like the experience of using the trackpad along with the keyboard. Makes things more convenient. And along with that, they have also launched this Focus Pen. This is exactly like the Apple Pencil. In fact, it also charges like the Apple Pencil magnetically on the tablet itself. And it is super useful for drawing stuff. It is also pressure sensitive just like the Apple Pencil, and Xiaomi has done a good job in terms of optimizing this Focus Pen for this tablet. So if you're a designer who likes to sketch things or in general drawing things on tablet, then this Focus Pen is going to be super useful. It is the real deal with all the features, does not feel cheap at all. It is very high quality and works really well. So yeah, good job in terms of copying the homework. Now when it comes to a tablet, the use case is the most important thing. If you're someone who is a professional and does professional things on their laptop, then don't go for a tablet. I'll give you a few examples. Video editors, software developers, music producers, designers who use CAD and CAM softwares. For people like that, a full-fledged laptop is needed. That work cannot be done on a tablet as of yet. May it be the Xiaomi Pad 7 or even the highest end iPad Pro. Do not go for a tablet if you belong in that category. Now let's get to the actual use cases of a tablet. See, I feel there are two major use cases. Number one is productivity. I have been using the Xiaomi Pad 7 for the past week or so, and here's what I do on it. Check my emails, write scripts on Notion, maintain my to-do list on Todoist, edit some photos on Canva and Google Docs. That is the productivity side of things. And for that, the Xiaomi Pad 7 is awesome. The software is amazing. It does not lag a bit, and the entire experience of using this tablet with the Focus Keyboard is just simply awesome. Also, online shopping and surfing the web on this tablet is great. And the good part is that it is more convenient as compared to a laptop. And the display quality is definitely better than a laptop. It's a 3.2K display which is bright enough so outdoors visibility is not a problem, and it is 144Hz as well. That actually helps a lot in giving a smooth experience. So navigating through the UI is extremely smooth and fast. Literally no lags and jitters for productivity based applications whatsoever. I actually really enjoy replying to emails and writing scripts on this tablet. Also, Canva works really well. So I edit all my thumbnails on Canva because it is very simple to do, and using Canva on this tablet has been awesome. What I'm trying to say is that for productivity, the Xiaomi Pad 7 is definitely good. Now coming to the second important use case, it is entertainment. Watching content on the Xiaomi Pad 7 is also awesome. Things like YouTube videos and shows on Netflix. Because of the good display panel, everything looks really good. So I think whenever I travel on a flight, train, bus, whatever, I would prefer to carry a Xiaomi Pad 7 because it gives a very good experience while watching content. And while we're on the subject of media consumption, the speakers on the Xiaomi Pad 7 are absolutely amazing. Quad speakers which get plenty loud and do not distort at all. The sound output is clear. I've been saying a lot of good things about this tablet. It might seem like this video is sponsored, but trust me, it is not. We'll get to the not so good things in just a bit. So productivity is amazing and entertainment is also amazing. Similarly, this tablet can also be used for e-learning. If you're a student or something like that, then you can definitely buy this tablet for your daily use. And one thing that really helps here is the software. I've said this statement in all my Xiaomi Pad reviews that Xiaomi is just not scaling up the software, like they're not taking the mobile software and scaling it up. They've actually worked on the software for tablet. And arguably, Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0 is better on the Xiaomi Pad 7 as compared to their smartphones. First of all, there is no bloatware and the features for productivity are just amazing. There are multitasking features, that is 2 windows side by side. There are floating windows as well, and everything works really seamlessly. There's no learning curve as such. If you want to run 2 apps side by side and also have a floating window, you can instantly do that. And as I said, the integration of the trackpad has also been seamless, which also means that you can connect an external mouse to this tablet. It can be Bluetooth, or you can use a dongle via the USB Type-C port. And that USB Type-C port is actually very helpful. You can connect a host of accessories to this tablet via that Type-C port. SSD, keyboard, mouse, speakers, everything. And you can connect this tablet to a monitor using that Type-C port. Now, if we talk about the overall performance, there is a Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 inside here, which is good enough for productivity, entertainment, and also e-learning. To some extent, gaming as well. Like, you can do casual gaming on this tablet. But if you're only buying a tablet for high performance stuff like intense gaming or video editing, if you want to do that, then I would not recommend the Xiaomi Pad 7. I would say that invest a bit more and go for the iPad Air with the M4 chipset, because that will give you a much better experience in terms of raw performance. What about battery life and charging? Well, in my testing period, the battery life has been amazing. I used this tablet for a couple of hours each day, and it would easily last me for like 4 days. And it has 45-watt charging as well, which is not the fastest out there because this is a very big battery to charge. It will easily take 1.5 to 2 hours to charge this tablet completely. Now, there is one thing that is missing in this Xiaomi Pad 7 lineup, that is a 5G variant. This tablet only comes in a Wi-Fi variant. There is no SIM card support whatsoever, which is honestly a letdown. I know a lot of people out there, including me, who would love to have a SIM card variant because that is very convenient. I know we can use hotspot, but that is a bit inconvenient. Having a dedicated SIM card slot would have been much better. And Xiaomi has tablets under the Redmi brand and even the Poco brand, which has a 5G SIM support, but not this one, which is very weird to me. And this year, Xiaomi has also launched a nano texture display variant of the Xiaomi Pad 7, which basically is a matte screen as compared to a glossy screen which you get on the normal variant. So if you're someone who does not like glare on the screen, you can go for the nano texture display variant because that will eliminate glare to some extent. Also, if you were wondering about the camera, this is how it looks, and it is good enough for video calls, meetings, and things like that. But what I want from you guys is, let me know about the microphone quality. How does the microphone sound in the comment section down below? Let me know. I think I've covered most of the things about the Xiaomi Pad 7. The only thing that is left is the price. This tablet starts at Rs 27,999, and in that you get 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. And then if you want to add the Focus keyboard, that is about 9,000 rupees, and this Focus pen is somewhere around 6,000 rupees. You can bundle it however you want based on your use case. But I still feel that this is a very affordable tablet as compared to an iPad. If you were looking for a budget Android tablet, then you can definitely go for the Xiaomi Pad 7. It is a great one. I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. Do let me know what do you feel of this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.